Hello, Garden Tube. Do you see this disaster? Inconsistent gardener here, and I am going to try to do from here all the way up to my Japanese honeysuckle, which I already trimmed back the other day in a video, but as you see, it's already still kind of crazy, so I may cut it some more. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so I didn't get all the grass, but you're never going to get all the grass, so I just left a little bit. But this thing, I can't remember what it's called. I bought it in Fort Bragg. It's supposed to get 6 feet tall, so I better take care of it. Then you got my azalea there. It already bloomed. See all the dead blooms on it. And then my box vine really took off this year. I think I planted it here and it just kind of like everywhere. And then I got the ajuga right here. It already bloomed too. It was purple. Then a bunch of cyclamens throughout. More cyclamens. And then that's a variegated boxwood. It's supposed to just stay a little thing like that. And that's it. It cleaned up under the honeysuckle. Trim that a little bit more. And that's all I did in this section. Thanks for watching. Me, the Inconsistent Gardener, and I'll see you in the next video.